Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing another game on my Switch. It's going to be Shotgun Farmers. If any of you have this game, well, tell me. Okay. So, 1 second. Let's play. Winter. Okay, so we're trying just to eliminate the other team. There's no rule, really. Where is the other team? I'm confused. Bow and arrow. Is that guy? Oh my god, he's invisible. Where's he? Ah! There. Get him. Dang, I missed. I suck with bows. I'm gonna die. I'm on fire. I have to go in with my pickaxe. Ow. Get him. Just gotta hit him one more time. It says shovel v shovel. Oh, my other teammate's here. Oh yes, got him. Oh. There's a crop drop. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Oh! Bro, I didn't even see him. I suck at this game. Okay, crop drop. I need to get that. Probably has good loot. But it's gonna be crowded. Oh my god, there's already people up there. But we're in the lead by 10 points. Oh, dang it. Okay, this game is hard. I need that weapon. Okay, we got a corn shotgun now. Where did everybody go? They just literally disappeared. Oh, I need to reload my shotgun. It's just like they disappeared. That was my teammate. Oh, they're in the lead by a lot now.
Here comes the crop duster.
Got him. Killed him. Oh, no. I'm dead. He's burning me alive. Yep, I died.
Crop drop inbound.
I really want to win. Okay, bazooka. A carrot bazooka. We also, I forgot to mention that if you miss a shot, then the shot, wherever you shot, oh, well, you see, I missed that shot, I accidentally shot on the ground. Now, there's a plant growing right there, and I'll grow into another, rocket launcher. Oh, crop drop. Gotta get this one. Trying to get, I suck. This is my first time playing. Oh, they took all the loot. Got a sniper. Oh, got him once. And die. Got a sniper now, baby. Let's go to the tallest place. Hardcore parkour. Oh, dang it. Snipe. Oh, dang it. I need that. Rocket launcher. Dead. Oh yes, another carrot rocket launcher. Look, you can jump boost so high with these. Oh. Oh, killed one. Double kill. Oh, watermelon assault rifle.
Drop is in.
And it was low on ammo. Got another one. Ugh, died. Oh, I think we're gonna lose this. We're 200 points behind. This is not good. Killed one. Oh.
Only a minute left. Well, Daniel really is a plane this time.
Oh, inside the building. Got some heals. I'm at full health now. Okay, I really want to win this. Got one.
We got 30 seconds left.
I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. Oh, dang. No, we're gonna lose. Yes, killed one.
Victory!
I won! Yes, let's go. Let's do a little dance. Banjo or kick out? Kick out, okay. Ooh. We won by 10 points. Just barely. Okay, well that was fun. You wanna play another one? Okay, let's do it. Graveside this time. Okay.
Go get that scarecrow.
Okay. Okay, we're trying to capture the scarecrow. The other team's in the lead. This is honestly the easiest game mode in my opinion. I'm in Viz right now. Now they can see me again. Oh, that's a guy. Wait. Gotta move.
Scarecrow, move!
Oh no, scarecrow moved. That means gotta go somewhere else. There it is. Okay, we're getting a lot of points. Oh god, the red team's here. Get him. That was close.
I feel some rain
Dang.
coming on. Oh, wait, no, that's just a crop drop.
Get him, get him, get him. Got him. But I'm low on health. Oh my god, I'm at 10 HP. I need to find some heals. Oh no, someone there. I'm dead. There's heals in here, yes. Still need more heals. Oh, there's a crop drop. Let's see, any heals? No. Tomato launcher. Ah! Now this is the best weapon. I got a really good weapon. Oh my god, double kill. I've only gotten a triple kill like once before. Actually, like twice. Okay, we're in a sniper tower, but we don't have a sniper. Let me go get the scarecrow because the red team is almost in the lead. Oh, actually, sure. Oh, why not? Oh, I died. Anyway, scarecrow moved. Ah. Crop drop. I need this launcher. Okay. We need to go help out my teammates. They need help. Oh, come on, right as I get here. That ain't fair. Killed him. Oh, assault rifle? No, he just took it. Okay, where's the scarecrow? Oh, over here. And no, you don't take fall damage in this game. We're winning by a lot. I think we're gonna win twice. Twice in a row. Killed him. Woo! That was too easy. I'm gonna do a random dance. I don't know why. Banjo. I just died. I got sniped by a random guy when I was doing my dance. What is this? Is this like a grenade? Oh, yeah, it's a grenade. Okay, we're collecting some. We're so far in the lead that I probably don't even need to collect anymore. Okay. I can't get him. He's gonna kill me. No. Killed one. Double kill. Double pickaxe kill. I'm at 120 and they're at 56. We're gonna win no matter what. Ugh. I don't think that's ever happened to me. I died by 2 people. Launch the grenade. Tomatoes. Okay. We're looking good. Die. Woo, victory! Banjo, because we did the other one last time. Woo! Double win. You want to do one more? Or do you think that's enough? Yeah, that's enough. Well, bye guys. I guess I'll see you next video. Bye. Like and subscribe, please. I only have like 4 subscribers.